Hey, this is Dan from Retro Restore Camping. I just wanted to make a real quick video here. I'm changing my spark plugs. I already took the wires off, and those are my spark plugs there. As you can see, they're a little rusty and everything. So I got my new ones here. And what I did is I pre-gapped these. I gapped them myself, and these are supposed to be gapped. It looks kind of big there if you look at it. These are supposed to be gapped at 80 or 0.80. So that's what I did there. I gapped them for that, and I'm gonna install them. So I guess the best way to do it is I still have my my plastic shroud out of here from the tire, and as you can see, you have plenty of room getting in there. And then it's just untightening them, and then put the new ones on. As long as you know where the wires go, you're good to go. I just did one at a time, and then this one goes here. That wire I put for this one, and then this one here goes here. So the firing order is going to be all right. But if you look, you got plenty of room. I still have it off. I have to do my headers. So I just want to make a real quick video there and show you that's probably the best way to do it. You know, with take this plastic piece out. It only requires like probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on it, or little screws that have a retainer clip there. Very simple, easy way to do it. Of course, you got to take your tire off as well, but real easy way to do it. Alright, well, that's the end of my video there. So thanks for watching. Put a thumbs up, and I'll see you for the next project. Probably the next project here will be installing new shocks here. That one there, it looks like it needs it. And I'm also going to take off this front hub here. We're going to replace the brakes. We're going to check the caliper, make sure the caliper is in good order. And we're going to replace the bearings here. So I believe we have to take this knuckle off here in order to do so. But those are what we're going to be doing. If you see, we got our headers in already. If you haven't watched that video, take a look at some of the videos that I have there, and show us installing those. The only thing that we had, the only thing that might be an issue, if when you do it, was this here. And what this is, if you can see it in my video when I posted, I haven't actually posted it yet, but anyway, this here is the dipstick, and when you get it, when you take off your manifold, it's going to be right here. There's actually a notch out in the manifold where this goes. So what I did is I used a bender for brake line bender, and I pulled it away a little bit, and then we separated it here and put it through the inside of the manifold. Now you're probably thinking, is it going to be all right with it getting hot and all that? Well, it was right in between the manifold before, so it should be in good order. And then fine, I'll actually show you what that looks like on the manifold, and then we'll be done with this video here. There she is. Right here, if you see that little notch there, that is right there. You can actually see it right there where it was. That's where the dipstick went. So what I had to do is I had to bend it out a little bit, and then we separated it, put it right through that header. Because right here, this is the other side. You can see this one here does not have a notch out in it. No notch there, and a notch right here. No notch, notch. All right. Like I said before, thanks for watching. I have a video too. We haven't actually done it. I've been so busy doing everything, but we replaced the wheel bearings in these. We packed them, replaced them. I actually replaced these as well with new ones. Probably a good idea. One thing that I did not show you, but I can show you now, is that when you go to take this off, first you want to take off your brake line, which is back here, and then this is a little clip that you have to pull up with it. It's a little clip. I'll actually show you a video of that. I'll make a video just to show you how to do that. Just a little clip, get a pair of pliers and pull this thing straight up. I'd probably oil it or pretty good first if it hasn't been changed. But that's what we did. We got them all changed out. And my other brake lines that are under there look good. Look like they had been replaced by a previous owner. So those were in good order. We replaced one on the other side that was bad. And we just bent it ourselves. And yeah, we replaced our. Still got the thing on here for our. You can't see it, but we replaced the shocks.